Hello guys, this is Brad, and actually I'm a Amazon author who wrote about 38 books so far. So you can just go to my author page uh, on Amazon and check which book I have written. And couple of books are free to download right now, so feel free to download. And I do have a website, blogspot.com, and I'm writing one quote every day. Today's quote is I see pigeons live under the bridge instead of a pleasant garden. And some of us live like that despite having options. Uh, Believe it or not, some people intend to live poor. So just check on my books.